I'm going to make some Spanish rice in this pot. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to start things off, because my ground beef is not very, didn't have much fat in it. I'm going to add a cup of onion, a cup of green bell pepper, ½ pound of ground beef, and we're going to cook this up. The ground beef is cooked down and the onions are getting soft, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter for richness, a little bit more oil in there, 1 cup of rice, long grain rice. I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to stir it around to where, try to get oil on all of the rice, oil and butter on the rice. This is an old recipe from like the 70s. Here is a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of thyme, I think, oregano, half a teaspoon, and some garlic powder. We'll stir that in. We're going to add water, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, and an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm going to stir this up and let this simmer very gently. You want to cook rice on a low heat for at least 30 minutes. My Spanish rice cooked for 30 minutes. It's slightly overdone. You need to add some salt to it too. And it's so good. Take me back to the 70s. It is really good stuff. Thank you so much for watching.